Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've been waiting for this day because I have started uploading video from the beginning of the new year, or which is about 2022, which where I have taken a decision that uploading video is very important thing for me because I am scared of uploading videos and to express myself in front of peoples because I'm very nervous towards speaking in English in front of peoples and while YouTube it is a big change in my life and I want to basically do that. And so yeah, this is a bold decision from my end, and today is basically 3 years, which basically 2 years because 2022 I have start uploading the videos on English language, and I make my mind that innovative that I will upload videos at least 5 minutes because it's mean a lot to me because I want to do something and I don't know where I'm going to do basically. But I have spent too much amount of time in YouTube, so I basically try that why shouldn't I basically express myself in this platform because that is easy if you understand that and if you basically use it in a practice way, so it is very helpful because I can find my multiple videos, like there are multiple videos I uploaded and find out my basically time where I found it suitable. So at that moment I can previously go and I can see myself that what my thinking about of English language. So how I'm speaking, like basically I'm finding out the errors which beginners make, and so that is how I will show the peoples who are still struggling and they basically self-doubting them, and because of that only they are not able to speak, right? That is most important part, so that's why I have here, and I'll show you how the beginner will make mistakes. But there are some peoples who do have a more knowledge than me, but that doesn't matter if you are starting from the scratch. So you can also come to a place where you can like people can believe you that you have done a very good job in yourself. Basically you have improved so much and you have basically surpassed your level of fluency which is previously you are speaking. So I think this is what I want to believe to the people who are basically want to do and something. And today is very important day for me because I have completed 600 videos, which is very difficult for me initially days because initially I do have a plan that I am going to do it, but like believing in yourself that you can do and you can achieve that, that is very difficult because there is a lot of self doubt in yourself, and if somebody is also said like you cannot make it, so it is very difficult. You can also judging yourself, but that is what you don't need to do it because there are a lot of people, lot of athletes, lot of businessmen. If they are trying to listen some other person, so they will broke themselves by inside by they, because you cannot break yourself by other people if you have a dedicated plan so in your inner way, right? That is most important thing. People should need to know about that, and people always should need to basically listen yourself only because you are the one who make decisions, not others in critical situations. So yeah, this is my way of talking and doing the practice. So I hope you understand, and by watching my videos you can understand basically. So in these videos, that is it. I hope you guys like it. Bye bye, have a good day.